Okay, I'm gonna try this device. Let's see. I'm gonna turn it on. So you can hear the sound, right? So now let's put it on my hand, and then you can hear that when the conductor is connected to it's in touch with your skin, there will be a small vibration sound that you could hardly hear, but because I'm using this mic, so you can hear, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna take it out. See, it just paused. All right, now I'm gonna turn it off. Isn't it smart? So what you heard was just a close-up of the sound. We had to remove the noise cancellation. But you know what? When you're using it, right, you don't actually hear the sound. See? From a distance, at where I am, if I were to put on my skin, you can't really hear it. And when I'm talking, definitely you can hear it. Yeah. See? That's why I say it's so smart that it doesn't cause that much of a noise. So whatever you heard just now was the close up of it. But that is how smart this device is. It's very effective yet silent yet sophisticated. And it gives you the ideal body that you want on the outside.